Most people want to know how I got a live wallpaper like this. It's easy. So I created our scene air, right? So this is the green one. So let's do it. So you need to go to photo and make sure you turn on the live photo, okay? So wait. Like this. You need to take a photo of it, but the quality must be poor, you know. So now back and take a photo of it. Okay. So here you get a live wallpaper, right? So you go to set. So you can do much better work than me to align perfectly or something like that. So here, press like this. See, so now it become live wallpaper. So when you click add, every photo that you use live wallpaper, live photo, it can make live wallpaper. Yeah, that's how.